Hello Max, so you're asking me if you change the replica name to like a name without the brand, for example Louis Vuitton to just woman checked brown bag, would that lower the chance of you getting blocked by Stripe? Now obviously I don't recommend selling replicas, but yes, that would lower the chance drastically. But as you start getting a lot of orders and you start getting disputes, Stripe has a lot of team members and virtual assistants that would actually go onto your website. So when they go onto your website and they see photos of a Louis Vuitton bag, that is probably what's going to get you banned. Now if you want to sort of lower your risk even more, make sure the images don't have the word Louis Vuitton on them and it just has the checkered bag. And on top of that, if you want to lower your chances of getting banned further, if there's like branding, like on the checkered bag there's like a Louis Vuitton on the logo, you can blur it. You can do blurring. That's what AliExpress does. Let me show you an example. So it's crazy, like AliExpress doesn't allow you to even search Louis Vuitton. So let's just search LV. Oh wow, what? Hello? Oh wow, so they even banned LV. Checkered bag. Wow, they're pretty strict with it, aren't they? Okay, let's try something more generic. Supreme. Wow, they remove anything. Oh, let's search box logo shirt. Oh wow, yeah. I think, wow, AliExpress is pretty crazy, and these images are straight up the brand images though. They remove the big brands. I remember what some listings used to do. They used to just blur the logo in the images and that would keep the listing up. But yeah, let me know if you have any other questions. By the way, feel free to continue emailing me, or you can sort of send me a message on Instagram. I've been sort of sending voice messages to all my sort of viewers. Unfortunately, my one-on-one coaching is full now, so ignore step 1 and 2, but feel free to message me with any questions whatsoever. I want to sort of provide as much value to you as possible. But yeah, hopefully that answers your question. Peace.